Ryan here with the Delzell Group, giving you a quick market update for April 20th, 2011. Hope everybody survived tax season. A lot's changed since our last update, and I wanted to give you a quick look at what's happening in Carmel Valley, because Carmel Valley, again, is pretty representative of the coastal area with condos all the way to luxury homes, and we're seeing quite a bit of activity going on. Let's take a look at the graphs here. This is from the Delzell Group website, our market reports page, and if you look here for Carmel Valley, what you're going to notice is that the average sales price for March is up almost 16 or just over 16% from a year ago. So that's a pretty dramatic increase, and I can tell you that about 10% of that has happened since the beginning of the year. So we've had quite a strong spring selling season. If you take a look at the number of sales, you've got 41 versus 32 a year ago. So that's looking good. And then also days on market, 64 versus a year ago, 70. So the time has come down on the days on market. If we take a look down farther on the page here, you're going to see just in graph form what's happened with the days on inventory. You can see a nice steady decline. And then more importantly, the number of sales year to date. So you can see here for 2007 and 8 obviously took a huge hit down to the low of 2009, and this is now going to be a third year of increases. The other thing here, as we switch, we're tracking on a weekly basis what's happening with list prices versus actual sales prices for Carmel Valley. And this graph is, I think, very interesting because you can see there's a shift in the sellers' mentality and really matching up with what is reality. You can see here that in blue the list prices were pretty divergent, and they've been consistently dropping. But the good news is that the sales price have been pretty steady to actually, for the past year and a half, increasing. So now we're at a point where the sales and list price are really pretty close. So the buyers and sellers are really seeing things eye to eye. So we think that this activity that we're seeing in the spring is something that is particularly strong, and probably driven by how interest rates are low, and with inflation starting to creep into the system. I think people are pretty well aware that interest rates are going to go up as the year goes on. So it's a great time to be looking to buy, and if you're looking to sell, you can see that there's some positive comps and momentum to work with. It's important to still work with a team that has creative out-of-the-box marketing. It really takes that these days. And if you're working with buyers, or if you're a buyer, you really need to work with an agent that knows the local market, knows the areas within the local market that are hot, and where the deals can be found. So for more information, go to our website, delzellgroup.com, or give us a call at 858-755-7740. Thank you.